Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. We all know that Indian Air Force celebrated its 87th anniversary on Air Force Day, which was October 8 at Hindon Air Base during 2019. A grand function was held at the Air Force Station along with a spectacular air display by various aircrafts. As we are nearing this year's Air Force Day celebration, which is in 2020 October, it would be good to take a look at the various helicopters which are available with the Indian Air Force fleet. We won't be seeing the choppers in Indian Army and Indian Navy in this particular video. So let us begin the list with the most recently inducted and the most powerful combat proven helicopter, which is the Boeing Apache AH-64E. The Boeing Apache is an American twin turboshaft attack helicopter with a tail wheel type landing gear arrangement and a tandem cockpit for a crew member of two. With incomparable performance, advanced sensors, and connectivity forming the building blocks of this particular fully integrated platform, this chopper stands as the world's most advanced multi role combat helicopter, and it also represents the backbone of various defense forces. The Apache is powered by two General Electric T700 engine with 1890 shp, and the various other parameters and characteristics are on the screen for your quick reference. The next one in the list is the Boeing Chinook CH-47F. These choppers of Indian Air Force boosts the nation's heavy lift capability. The CH-47 Chinook is an advanced multi-mission helicopter that provides the strategic airlift capability across the full spectrum of combat and humanitarian missions. It contains a fully integrated digital cockpit management system, a common aviation architecture, and an advanced cargo handling capabilities. This airlifter is powered by two Lycoming T55 engines with 4733 shp power. The third chopper in the list is Mi-17V5, which is a twin turbine transport helicopter used by the Indian Air Force to transport Prime Minister of India domestically. It is also used for other transport activities, and it is an advanced and trusted platform which is equipped with modern avionics and glass cockpit instrumentation. Not only that, it also has the state of art navigational equipment and weather radar. These choppers is also used to ferry personnel to remote mountain helipads, carrying out search and rescue operations and logistics support tasks in the island territories. Mi-17 is powered by two Klimov VK engine with 2700 shp power. The next chopper in the list is the Mi-25, Mi-35. These attack helicopters were the one which were guarding India before the arrival of United States Apache helicopters. And this was the first attack helicopter squadron of Indian Air Force, which was raised on 1st November 1983. The attack helicopters have 4-barrel 12.7mm rotary gun in nose bare bit and up to 1500 kilograms of external ordnance, which includes the Scorpion anti-tank missiles. These choppers are powered by two Isotov TV3 engine with 2200 shp power. Now coming to the other chopper in the Indian Air Force fleet is the Mi-26. Undoubtedly the pride of Indian Air Force and also the biggest of the lot, this Mi-26 heavy lift helicopter has been used for operations in the mountains of northern India. This Russian-made twin-engine turboshaft is a military heavy-lift helicopter with a carrying capacity of 90 combat troops and 20,000 kilogram cargo. The next helicopter in the Indian Air Force fleet is the HAL Chetak, which is a single-engine light utility helicopter manufactured in India under license by HAL from French aircraft company. While the HAL is operationally being gradually replaced by HAL Dhruv, this helicopter is still used for training, transport, and casualty evacuation. The next one is the HAL Cheetah, which is derived from the SA-315B Lama French single-engine helicopter, which is again made by HAL in India. The Cheetah helicopter fleet has been the backbone in search and rescue missions, casualty evacuation, and route transport role with the Indian Air Force. Both HAL Cheetah and HAL Chetak are powered with one turbomeca engine. The next one in the list is the HAL Dhruv. This helicopter is developed and manufactured by HAL and which entered service in 2002. This indigenous ALH fleet in Indian Air Force has steadily grown from conventional ALH Mark I to the state-of-the-art glass cockpit ALH Mark III. This helicopter is a twin-engine machine that can carry 14 passengers with 2 pilots, and it has a cruise speed of 250 km per hour. The HAL Dhruv has been a part of Sarang helicopter display team, and apart from this, it also performs search and rescue operations, casualty evacuation, and route transport role operations. There is also an attack variant of HAL Dhruv called HAL Rudra, which is used by the Indian Army. So, this was a quick look or a revisit of Indian Air Force helicopters fleet that are serving the country like an unsung hero for ages. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.